Do you prefer a hydraulic clutch or a cable clutch? It's tough. I prefer both. So for 99% of the time on the track, I prefer the hydraulic clutch. For those times when you have to pull it in going into a corner, or maybe you just have to slip it a little bit coming out, I like the hydraulic clutch. For the start, I seem to do better on my starts with a cable clutch. A cable clutch has that feel of clutch disengagement that you can't get with a hydraulic. You just can't. Um, I don't know. It's tough. If I had to choose, I'd go with the hydraulic because, like I said, 99% of the time is when you're on the track. You're not on the start. And with these modern 450s, you're not using the clutch as much off the start anyway. You're kind of just modulating it a tad to keep the front wheel down. But our two-strokes back in the day, having that feel for that disengagement was super key. I also hate that the hydraulic clutch adds so much complexity to your bar, and you got a master cylinder and a slave cylinder and all that stuff. That's kind of a shame, but it's what we got to have it.